Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would do a day in the life today just because I haven't done one for a little while and I thought we'd have a little catch up. We're literally just at home today, but I think I might take the kids out. We might go to the park or might go somewhere like that, but I do need to go Asda as well today because we need some food shopping, just because food is like running out so quick in this house where we're all at home, which is really annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I think Isabella's going to get dressed now, and then I think I might actually get some stuff out first on the table, see if the kids want to do some drawings and things like that, just to try and keep them busy. The weather's not amazing today, it's a bit windy. I mean, it's all right because I think it is like heating up, isn't it? Like it's coming up to spring, like that makes me happy. Because I can't wait to just get out of my garden. I don't know if you are the same, but I literally just can't wait to get out of my garden and just. Do you know what? I feel like we didn't appreciate the last lockdown because, well, you know what I mean? Like the first lockdown was so much more easier because we had the sun. So it was so much easier to like entertain the kids and go out every day. But obviously with all the snow and that we've had, yeah, it's been a bit of a nightmare. I made the kids some pancakes this morning, so they've had their breakfast, and I'm just drinking my coffee, and then I'm going to see what I'm going to do today. I do need to put some washing away, exciting stuff. I have got something to show you within this vlog. It's really quite good. I think it's like such a good thing for the children, so I'll show you that in a little while. But for now, I'm going to drink my coffee and decide exactly what we're doing first. This is Harrison this morning with his mountain of blankets that he always has on that sofa, and he's still in some Christmas pyjamas. Yeah. You need a haircut.
Mommy, I want some pancakes.
Really?
Because the pancake day is over. That means it's no pancake day. That means it's only a 10 pancake day.
Is it?
Yeah, and then I eat 2 pancakes.
You eat 2 pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
But more.
Okay. So we've actually been kindly sent from Mel Science this subscription box. Now it is a science subscription box for kids, and this is a 10+ years one. They do a 5+ years box, which is MEL Kids, and they also do it for 12+ years. So it's really such a cool idea because you know what science is like. I prefer science if you actually have an experiment, because I think science isn't science without an experiment, you know. First of all, when you get your first subscription box, this is what you get. So you get the big box, which actually has all of your equipment for the subscription going forward. So you get this one-off box here that has all of the experiment bottles and the safety glasses. You'll get this box with all of the equipment, and then you will also get this experiment box, and this has 2 experiments in it. So you get 2 to 3 experiments every single month if you're subscribed, that you can then carry out, which you will use with the box, all of the equipment in here going forward. And it is so cool. I mean, they're proper experiments, you know. Also, in your first box, you get the VR headset. Now, this is really cool on its own because you can put your phone in there and then you can watch the virtual reality science virtual lessons that they have. They have an app, and it is so cool because you get to be like virtually there, and obviously it's the virtual reality experience. Kids really like sort of learn with things like that. Like they really engage. That's what's really good about them. So it really does make science fun. What MEL Science are doing here is actually a really good idea. It's like a really good concept, and especially with everything that we've got going on at the moment with homeschooling and trying to entertain the children, I just think it's such a good idea. And you could also gift this to somebody for their birthday. You know what it's like when children sort of have everything and you never know what to buy as a gift. This is probably a really good gift to buy them, a subscription. I've always said that. Buy a child like a subscription box rather than, do you know what I mean? Rather than just going and getting another toy. So I just think that it's so cool. Your kids would love something like this, I'm just going to say. Isabella got so excited when this first arrived. Isabella has thoroughly enjoyed this, and so have I, by the way. So I'll leave all the details to their website and the deal that they have on at the moment in the description below. And it is a limited time deal, and I have all the information down below. So do check out in the description if you want to check out this subscription box. And thank you, MEL Science, for sending this out to us. We've had so much fun with it.
See, Harrison?
Only me.
Only you? I don't think so.
What can you see right now? Is there a chair?
Is it a chair or is it...
Huh? A chair?
Is it like all lights? Is it like a room? Do you feel like you're there?
Oh, I just saw some out.
You see what?
I just saw a jungle over there. Jungle?
A jungle?
Yeah. It's a jungle. It's a tent one over there.
Is it a pretend one over there, is it?
Yeah, in the sun.
Is that cool? Is that virtual reality headset cool?
Yeah. How do you do
You like it, don't you?
Again,
It's really cool. Do you know what? I'm finding it difficult to get peace in a room in this house. Every time I go into a room, there's someone in it with noise. So, excuse background noise. But yeah, we've done the experiment now with Isabella. She thoroughly enjoyed that. And so did I. I used to really love science when I was at school. I was a bit of a science geek, so I didn't like much else, but I loved science. And I think it's probably because it's experiments and stuff. Like, I don't do very well with textbooks and all of that, but when it comes to science, it's sort of like experiments, isn't it? So yeah, definitely love that subscription box. Harrison's still not dressed. I mean, we're in the afternoon now and he's still not dressed. I mean, do I get him dressed? Don't know. Because are we going to go anywhere? Because at the moment, this is the weather at the moment. Excuse my garden, it's a mess. But talking about my garden, I wanted to tell you something that I'm going to be doing in this garden coming up with the spring. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. Actually, let me just tell you now. So we've come out into the garden, even though it's raining. So up here, we're going to have decking. This is what we want to have at the moment. And then we're going to actually get rid of this shed. And we're going to be building something around the side and just open up this garden because it's not really small. It's actually quite a wide garden. It's just a weird shape. But new builds tend to have smaller gardens anyway. But if we get rid of that and have like the... cut that sort of bit off with decking, because we want to get composite decking, which I've got some samples I'll quickly show in a second. And yeah, I'm thinking of doing that for the back of the garden. Come in now, it's a bit rainy, don't want to get my camera wet, but yeah, basically I cannot wait for spring. I just want to go out and get potted plants. We went to B&Q the other week when I was picking up the paint, and I took the kids with me because of the little garden centre bit, and I was kind of hoping that there would be garden bits in, but there was literally nothing. So I'm looking to maybe, that might be something we do, say tomorrow or something, maybe go around to the garden centre and have a little look, because yeah, that just makes me excited for spring and summer, and that is noisy and annoying, so I'm assuming you're probably thinking, wow, that's annoying. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get Harrison dressed, to be honest with you, because I don't know if we're going to go out now because it's raining all the time. Just waiting for that rain to stop. Please show you the composite decking that we're thinking of having at the back of the garden, which hopefully, fingers crossed, we can have in March time. So we're looking at like blocking off the back of the garden, like I just said, and we're looking at this colour. Really love that. It's like a greyish colour, and it actually said it's silver, but we like the grain being like that rather than this. I mean, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. But we really love like these sort of colours and stuff like that. We don't really want to go for grey. We want to go for like more of a beigey grey. So we just think it would go well with the fence, and we won't have to change the fence colour. And yeah, just look really nice. So I'm really actually excited about this. I've been planning to do this composite decking for ages, just because I really want a seating area in the back of the garden, because we spent so much time. Basically, they're the composite decking samples that we've got so far. And we really want to get back, if we start with that on the garden, and then eventually we do want to have artificial grass, because we had it in our flat we was in before, and it is a lot easier to maintain with the kids and stuff. Last summer, the grass was just ruined with the pool and everything else. I just feel like you need to have grass when you don't have kids. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can do that in March. We're looking at, I think my sister is going to be helping. So she's got a company that does like a cleaning, she does end tenancy and maintenance and gardens and stuff like that. So I think she's going to come in with her company and do it, which is exciting. So hopefully we can do that in March. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, just because it's nearly spring, and I've been planning this since Christmas was over, because I'm like, I need the sunshine, I need the nice, you know, spring vibes, and I just really want to go to a garden centre. Like, I really want to just go. I went to B&Q when I got the paint for the transformations, right, for their bedrooms, and we went into the garden centre bit, and I got all excited thinking I'm going to see loads of gardening stuff, and there was nothing, so I was really annoyed actually. But hopefully I'm going to go. I think we might actually go to the garden centre this week, and that would be something fun to do, because they're open. And I do need to get stuff, because I want to change parts of the front as well, the way they're laid out. Like we want to get pebbles, and I'm sure I'll tell you in a future video when we actually come to do these things, what we're doing with the garden and stuff like that, and you'll see it all happening when it happens. But I just was really excited to show you. I just thought I'd show you my samples, because then, yeah, just we're not going to be going on holiday this year. So, and we spent so much time in the garden last year that I just want to make it nice. I just think that if I could just have an area to sit and the kids can just play, and the garden's then opened up wider. Do you know what I mean? Like there's more space for like the pool and they can play. I just want to make it a bit more like spacious. So that's the plans for the garden. But I will tell you in depth as we get towards doing the garden. And I'm sure I'll film the whole process for you. But yeah, the day is getting on and I really need to go to Asda because we don't have bread. So I think I'm going to go to Asda, get her little friend something because it's her friend's birthday and she's just going to drop it around. So she's got a gift, which is really nice. I've also got, it's my niece's birthday this week. It's my dad's birthday this week. And I've also got to go to the doctors. Yeah, let's crack on. Let's go and get ready. I don't think Harrison's going to come with me. I think he'll stay with Jonathan. I think Isabella will want to come with me to get out. And yeah, just going to have a look around Asda. To be honest, that's all we ever do nowadays, isn't it? Look who's dressed.
Finally.
Finally, Harrison's dressed.
You dressed, Harrison, show them.
You dressed? What you wearing? Come on, give us an outfit of the day. What are we wearing? A tracksuit. Oh, you haven't told me if you like your room yet. Do you like your bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favourite part of your bedroom, Harrison?
A pterodactyl.
The pterodactyl.
Because,
So you like your light.
because it's me. Rainbow.
What does it do?
Rainbow colour.
Rainbow colours, does it? Should we get it on? Should we put it on and show them?
Yeah.
And they've seen it already. They love it as well.
Where's the remote?
Everyone loves it. We'll get the remote. Hold on. Let's turn it on. Ready?
Switch.
Oh, there you go.
Colour.
Wow.
Faster.
Faster, but it's flashing then.
Yeah.
You like dancing to it? It's all different. No. Oh,
Turn it off.
you've turned it off now. There you go. Wow.
Dark motion.
You like dark motion? Oh, because it's not dark, it's light outside. Yeah, it lights up the whole room, doesn't it, in different colours?
Yeah.
Is it your favourite?
Yeah, I know.
Should we go Asda? Do you want to go out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, we've done the rainbow, now turn it off.
Okay. So just got back from food shopping. That took longer than I thought. It's now dark. And let's keep it real. When I come in from anywhere, I put my dressing gown on because it's freezing. My kitchen is still, look, I've still got loads to put, I've still got some bits, wasn't loads, but I've still got bits to put away. My kitchen's a mess. Just doing dinner. We're having, maybe my dressing gown. Yeah, we're having chicken burgers. The kids requested chicken burgers and curly fries. I haven't had curly fries for ages, so I'm quite looking forward to having those. We have these certain chicken burgers, the ones with like the rice crispy topping, I want to call it, but they're so nice and we haven't had them for ages, and the kids requested them. Well, Isabella requested them, so I thought we'll have those, and we're having curly fries because I haven't had curly fries for ages either. I'm gonna have some salad with it. So I'm looking forward to that. Put that in now, but I'm absolutely shattered. Do you ever go food shopping and you just feel absolutely shattered? And I've not got everything away yet either, so I need to finish up putting everything away. Tidy this kitchen up, although the kitchen doesn't really get seen to till dinner's over with because there's absolutely no point. Just got stuff everywhere in this kitchen, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm gonna get the dinner done and chill out, I think. Try and, well, clean up, put the rest of the food shopping away, chill out a little bit. So as you can probably tell, it's a lot later on now. In fact, the time is, it is really later on now. It is 20 to 1 in the morning. So I don't know if anyone else has been like this, but I've not been able to really sleep. And to be honest, Harrison's not been sleeping. So he's literally just drifted off. He drifted off next to me on the sofa and I've just taken him up to bed. He was hard to carry as well because he's so heavy. But yeah, just the routine's out the window. I've said this a few times, but I'm sure a lot of you may be, well, you might not relate. You might all have an amazing routine. Your kids might go to sleep and all of that, but I just don't sleep very well anyway. I don't sleep very well with all of this going on. When routine resumes, that'll be great. Yeah, after I last spoke on here, I helped Isabella wrap up her little gifts that she's going to drop at her friend's doorstep tomorrow. So yeah, she got her a few little things. Basically, we went to Poundland the other day, and she was like, "Mum, can I get this, this, and this, and this?" So I was like, "Yeah, that's fine." She wanted to have her own gifts for her, if that makes any sense. Like, she didn't want to ask exactly what she wanted. She wanted to sort of, you know, get her own gifts. So that's fine. So we wrapped all those up. So she looks like she's got a right good bag of goodies. So she's pleased with that. So we wrapped those up, and then yeah, we just chilled out really. Harrison, again, just trying to get him to go to bed. It's been fun. But I am actually going to go to bed now, and it is 20 to 1, and that might seem late to a lot of you, but I have actually been going to sleep at like 3, 4 in the morning, and then getting up again a few hours later. Like, it's not the one. I've not been sleeping, so I am tired, particularly tonight, and that will be the end of the day, even though we're in the next day. But yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog here, so I hope that you enjoyed this little vlog. Not quite sure what we did today, if I'm honest with you. You see my cat? I need to ask you some questions. My cat at night time is a nightmare. Look at him. Jerry? Jerry? What are you doing? Jerry? What are you doing? You are a nightmare at this time of night, aren't you? You just want to play. Look at you. What are you doing? Jerry? You dare. You dare. Oh, Tinkerbell's coming. Tinkerbell's coming in. She's coming to save me. Are you coming to save me? What's he doing to me? What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, don't be horrible to him. You just want to play, don't you, Jerry? At this time of night. Yes, you do. So basically, Jerry at this time of night becomes alive. He runs up down the stairs. He goes absolutely mental. So we have had to buy him some different toys. I was searching the other night. I'm sure you don't want to hear my cat story, but I was searching the other night how to make a cat not so excited at night. But yeah, we've just been getting toys out. So I've got him that wakes me up, keeps me up all night, and then I've got Harrison that doesn't sleep. I'm like, I'm tired. I'm going to shut up now because I am actually really tired and I'm rambling on. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it, whatever it is that we've done today. And if you did want to check out the science kit, the subscription box, I'll leave the details down below. And yeah, I do highly recommend it. So we had so much fun with that, to be fair. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.